The year is already moving. Look at the calendar. The initial burst of motivation you felt on day one, it's gone. The weeks are slipping through your fingers, and if you aren't careful, this year will look exactly like the last one. We have stared into the void together. We acknowledge that chaos is the default state of nature. But acknowledgement is not enough. Now, we must build. Most people are drifting right now. They are waiting for a second wind that isn't coming. You are not most people. You are here because you understand that discipline isn't a mood. It is a structure. Today, we install that structure. We are going to discuss 7 Stoic habits, ancient protocols for modern dominance. But I am not asking you to do all 7. That is a recipe for failure. I am asking you to choose 3. 3 habits for the next 30 days. This is how we awaken the inner fiber. Welcome back to Inner Fiber Awakens. In our last session, we stripped away the ego. Today, we rebuild the character. The Stoics, Seneca, Marcus Aurelius, Epictetus, didn't practice philosophy as a parlor trick. They practiced it as a survival mechanism for a brutal world. Their world was falling apart, much like the distractions tearing at your attention span today. The goal here is density. We are not trying to do more things. We are trying to do the right things with absolute focus. The mantra of this channel remains the same. Not louder, not faster, deeper. Here is the challenge. I will present 7 habits. By the end of this video, you will select exactly 3. You will commit to them for 30 days. No excuses, no negotiations. Let's begin. Habit 1. Premeditatio Malorum. The premeditation of evils. Most people wake up and hope for a good day. The Stoic wakes up and prepares for a difficult one. Marcus Aurelius began his mornings by reminding himself, "Today I shall meet people who are meddling, ungrateful, aggressive, treacherous, malicious, and unsocial." He wasn't being pessimistic, he was removing surprise. When you wake up, visualize the friction, the traffic, the rude email, the technology failing, the fatigue. Rehearse your response. See yourself calm. See yourself composed. See yourself retaining dignity. When you anticipate the blow, it doesn't knock the wind out of you. You are already armored. If you choose this habit, your mornings are no longer about comfort, they are about strategic foresight. Habit 2. Voluntary discomfort. We live in an age of sedative comfort. Climate control, soft chairs, endless entertainment, delivered food. We have become soft because we are never tested. Seneca, one of the wealthiest men in Rome, would deliberately live like a pauper, wearing rough clothes, eating little, asking himself, "Is this the condition I feared?" To build inner fiber, you must introduce controlled suffering, cold showers, fasting until noon, sleeping on the floor once a week. You are not punishing yourself. You are proving to your mind that it does not own you. When you choose discomfort, the world can no longer bribe you with comfort or threaten you with pain. You become sovereign. Habit 3. The view from above. Anxiety thrives in the microscopic. It lives in deadlines, arguments, and bank balances. These things feel enormous because they are right in front of your face. The Stoic practice is to zoom out. Close your eyes. See your room, your house, your city, the continent, the earth, the solar system. From this height, your problems disappear. They are dust. This does not mean your life doesn't matter. It means your anxieties are misplaced. You are a brief spark in an infinite void. Stop wasting energy on petty grievances. If you choose this habit, you commit to shifting your perspective every day when stress mounts. Habit 4. The pause. Epictetus taught that we cannot control what happens to us, only how we respond. But between the event and the response, there is a space. Most people have no space at all. Someone insults them, they react. A notification appears. They obey. The pause is the discipline of widening that gap. When you feel the impulse to yell, to buy, to eat, to quit, you stop. You don't suppress the feeling, you observe it. You say, "I will attend to this in 2 minutes." That delay is where your freedom lives. If you cannot pause, you are not free. You are a machine running code written by biology. Choose this habit and you commit to impulse control. Habit 5. The inner dialogue. Writing for clarity. This is not journaling your feelings. This is an autopsy of the mind. The mind loops, it lies, it exaggerates. Thoughts are smoke until you write them down. On paper, they become solid. They become testable. A fear written down often reveals itself as irrational. For 30 days, if you choose this habit, you write. Why was I angry? What did I do well? Where did I fail? You strip away noise to find signal. You cannot fix a machine if you don't understand its wiring. Writing is the schematic. Habit 6. Memento Mori. Remember, you must die. This is not morbid, it is clarifying. Time is not something you have, it is something you are losing. Every second is non-refundable. If this were your last month, would you care about opinions, gossip, status games? No. You would focus on what matters. Carry this thought. I could leave life right now. Let it determine what you do, say, and think. This habit destroys procrastination by destroying the illusion of forever. Habit 7. The outer dialogue. The Stoics were not silent monks. They were senators, emperors, teachers. They understood the power of voice. This habit is about speaking with conviction. For 30 days, practice speaking out loud, alone, clearly, without hedging. Read philosophy aloud. Articulate your values. If you cannot say what you stand for, you do not own it. Speaking bridges thought and reality. It trains you to project your will into the world. Do not whisper your truth. Speak it. Fill it with purpose. Not louder, not faster, deeper.